Today's recipe is to help you to dazzle your friends with your culinary expertise. And of course, what we're talking about is Peking duck. So let's get cooking. First, you need to rinse the duck inside and out and pat dry. Cut off the tail and discard. Mix together a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a quarter a teaspoon of nutmeg, a quarter of a teaspoon of white pepper, an eighth of a teaspoon of ground cloves in a small bowl. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of spice mixture into the cavity of the duck. Stir 1 tablespoon of soy sauce into the remaining spice mix and rub evenly over the entire outside of the duck. Cut 1 green onion in half and tuck inside the cavity. Cover and refrigerate the duck for at least 2 hours or up to overnight. After refrigerating the duck, pull it out of the fridge and place breast up on a rack or wok or pot. Steam for 1 hour, adding more water as it evaporates. Lift the duck with 2 large spoons and drain the juices and green onion. Place the duck breast side up in a roasting pan and prick skin all over with a fork. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Roast the duck in a preheated oven for 30 minutes. Mix together remaining 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and honey in a small bowl. Brush the honey mixture into the duck. Increase the oven temperature to 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. Roast until skin is richly browned for about 5 minutes. Do not allow the skin to char. Mix together plum jam, chutney, sugar, and vinegar in a small serving bowl. Chop the remaining green onion and place into a separate bowl. Place the whole duck onto a serving platter and garnish with orange slices and fresh parsley. Serve with plum sauce and chopped green onions. Some suggestion for side dishes. Steamed vegetables go nice. You might like mashed potato, you might like salads. It's totally up to you. And there you go. That's Peking duck. For these and many other tasty recipes, subscribe to my channel, Philip's Cooking Recipes, and have a look up in the right hand corner of this video if you've made it this far, and you'll see my previous video, so you might like to have a look at that. Until next time, thank you and bye for now.